National Bank has provided a chance for women to grow their professional fields. It has provided a chance for education advancements, career advancements, and skill development. As a beneficiary to these initiatives, I have acquired 2 IT certifications and I'm now pursuing a master's degree. This has enabled women to remain relevant in today's dynamic world. The bank provides a positive workplace where women are able to collaborate freely with men with a sense of inclusivity and mutual respect. This enables women to feel valued, respected, and empowered to contribute their expertise and skills.